welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Now, on the last video we spoke about the stuff that I dislike about the GX460. Today we're gonna talk about the stuff that I love about it. All right guys, let's make it happen. Now, the first thing I love about this truck is the engine. It's the 4.6 liter V8 1UR FE, makes 301 horsepower and 329 pound-feet of torque. However, I would prefer the 1UR FSE. That engine makes more power and more torque, and it pairs with a 8-speed automatic, but this one pairs with a 6-speed automatic. But I love this engine, and this is one of the reasons why I love this car, this truck, because it has a V8. And this is the last Lexus SUV that you can buy with a V8, at least until September, because the new one is coming in about 2 weeks. The next thing I love about this car is the front end. Now, a lot of people are saying that they like the 2010 to 2013 version better, but I like this one a lot better. I just think 2010 to 13 front end look a little bit off, and as you can see here, I love those headlights, and they introduced these back in 2020, and they look pretty cool. And I love the front lip. This is the sport design. I feel like without that front lip, the front end of this car just look a little bit off. I feel like the front lip with the sport design make it look so cool. And the front end, I love it. I love the big grille, I love the headlights, the fog lights, except for these. We already spoke about that on the last video. Now, the next thing I love is the captain chairs. As you can see here, I'm on my own space, I'm on my own computer. I don't have to touch the person next to me, and I have my armrest here, I have my cup holders, I have heated and cool seat. Well, it's not cool seat, it's ventilated seat, and up here you have your AC vent. And as you can see here, it's really nice and chill. I have a lot of space here, and yeah man, I love it here. So if I had to, maybe my wife is driving and I'm here, man, someone else up there, I would chill here. And you can recline your seat as well. Yeah man, nice and chill. I love it. Now, the next thing I love about the GX is the trunk door, the rear door. As you can see, this is how you open it up, and I love the fact that you open it up like a front door, like a house door. Now, I've seen people complain about how they don't like it. For me, I think it's different, and I love it like this. You can just close it like a door and open it up like a normal door. Now most SUVs, you hold it up, but for me, even for my garage here, this ceiling is not that high, so for me, that way it works perfectly fine. And if you don't wanna open the whole door, there's a button right here. As long as the keys are in your pocket, you can just push it and then you open that little top here, and then you can just grab stuff here or put stuff in there. It's cool, and I like it like that. Plus, I love the fact that the rear wiper is hidden there. It's not down here. Now in the new one, I saw that the wiper it's like right there, which is, I don't know why Lexus would do that, because I love that it's up here and you can't even stay it. Now the next thing I love about the GX, it's gonna be silly, but it's the fact that when you're trying to get in and out, you have a footstep here. You can just get in and out very easy, because most SUVs you have to climb up in there, but in here you have your footstep here. You can get in and out very easy. The things that I love is all the features that this car has, like the memory seat, the automatic windows up and down, which is nothing new, but it's still cool. And then you got your headlight washer, track control, automatic low and high beams, and you got your heated steering wheel, and here you got your power folding mirror switch. Now when you sit in here, you drive in, I freaking love it. So those seats are super comfortable, and they hold you in place. They're soft. I love how like the position that you sit with the wheels, and then if you push the button here, oh, there we go, super nice. I don't know why I love that part. Is like the steering wheels comes to you, and then this seat just push you forward, and I love that steering wheel. This one is the same one from the RX, like the last gen RX, and even the GS and all that, but I just love it because the one that was the before from 2010 to 2019 were a little bit outdated. So this one I love and love. And the next thing I love is the sound system, is the Mark Levinson. This thing sounds really good. If I buy another Lexus, I will definitely get the Mark Levinson. I will never buy another one without that sound system. Now the one you find in the German cars, they're a little bit better, but that one sounds really good. Like when you're playing a song, depends on the songs, like that thing can sound like you in a club or a movie theater. Now the next thing I love is that screen. Now some people don't like it. They're saying that it looks like an iPad or a tablet, and I love it. The one that was there before, that little screen, was super outdated, and that one, it's nice, it's fast, there's a lot that you can do. I don't want to go in details with this because there's a lot of videos on there, but I love that screen and I like how fast everything is when you just swipe it. And I love that we have CarPlay, Android Auto. Overall, man, I just love this thing. Now, is it something that I would drive every day? Maybe not, because I'm not a fan of driving big cars every day. But this thing, man, I love it. Lastly, I love how this car look. I love the style. I love how paxi looking it is. I love that it doesn't look like every other SUV on the road, and I just love the design and the style. So I hope that the next one looks good. I mean, some people say this thing looks old, but for me, I just love how the GX looks like. All right, guys, this is all the things that I love about the GX460. Overall, I love it. I love that thing. I love the way it drives, the way it looks. I love the fact that it has a V8, and I just love this thing. Now, on the last video, I stated the stuff that I think that could have been better, but that doesn't mean that I don't love the car. All right, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you have a good morning, good night, good afternoon, and I will see you guys in the next one.